One thing I've learned is when to fight, who to fight, and you, I will fight.
Get your best pair of gloves. I'll be in the ring waiting.
Have a good evening, Mr. Wallace.
You too. My bucket too.
Yes, Yvette, I want you to do me a favor, you see? I want you to check with all the airlines leaving Jamaica for the last week or two. Check if anyone by the name of Carlton Wallace left Jamaica. And what was his final destination? Alright, thank you.
Kevon Myrie.
Mr. Wallace.
When did you get out?
About 2 months ago, you know.
Really? Were you officially discharged?
Not really. I just do what you did do. And discharge myself.
You sure that's safe? Then I'll come after you, you know. I had a case. The medication that they were giving me was not approved.
I did the same thing with me. So I plan to build a case about that.
And you come to Jamaica for do what? Get a lawyer?
No, you know. Just come to get my head right and get back my girlfriend.
Makes sense. How that go so far?
Well, we link up and the fire's still there. So I can move forward from this.
That's good, man. One of the best things to get us through what we did go through is support. My brother was there for me.
And my girlfriend there for me too.
Sounds like a good girl, man. More like wife material.
Believe me, man, she is. Why? I'm just glad to get back out in the real world. You know? Because it's not an easy thing when people lock you away and think you're mad.
Exactly. Having a mental breakdown doesn't mean that you're insane. You know how much people call me mad?
Enough people don't know the difference, you know.
It's good to see you though, bro.
Yeah, man.
So what you been up to since you're here?
Well, not really, you know, just chilling and taking it easy. Never really have nothing planned.
Okay. You still into investigative journalism?
Well, I haven't done anything while I was in there, you know. But it's still my passion.
Good. Happy to know that. If you want to link up and have a drink and, you know, have a talk, that you want to get back into the field, just let me know. I'll point you in the right direction.
I'll think about it. Remember, that was the reason why I got institutionalized in the first place.
That's because you got in too deep. Like I said, think about it. It will be an exclusive contract.
Okay, boss. I'll give it some thought.
All right, here what? This is my number. Link up when you're ready, all right? Looking forward to hearing from you. Take care, bro. Cool.
Well, Patsita, your man is about to get a job. Soon we can move in together.
Bizzle, what have you done?
Make a business decision.
What are you talking about? How can you make a business decision without me?
Remember I was talking to you about liquidating some of the unnecessary things and scaling down.
That conversation was before we signed the documents for you to be a partner with conditions.
Yeah, but now that we are partners, my understanding is that I can now make some decisions directly without you. And you're in the hospital.
I spent 3 days in the hospital for allergic reactions. There was nothing wrong with my mouth or my ears, and my phone was working.
Never want to disturb you, nicey.
Are you out of your mind? This is not how it works. We signed a specialized contract, partners with conditions. It does not give you the power to make these decisions. That gazebo cost in excess over 300,000. And you sold the deep freeze? What else did you sell, Bizzle?
You really look like when them lick fall with plate cloth. You have to calm down and make me talk about this.
Don't tell me about being calm. You took matters into your own hands without even consulting me. This is still my flipping business.
Of course it is. But you have not been doing a good job in running it.
Excuse me? You know you really overstep your boundaries now. Not because you have been helping me running my business.
You mean the business?
What? Bizzle, I have been running my business and I've been doing a damn good job with it. You are the one that took on more than you needed to. I had chef and other workers that...
Nicey.